Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the new and latest Apple iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max camera lens. Unfortunately, I didn't pick it up when it was on sale. Five of the camera lens was like $5.99. So I kind of waited like a couple days later, and somebody jumped back to $6.99. Anyway, still a good price for 5 of the camera lens. So this one that I installed last time was for like a iPhone 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max. And unfortunately, the camera system on this is different with the 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max compared to the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. As you can see, when I press it down, the circle is out of line. If I could match one circle that is gonna be pressed in, but it's gonna be slanted, or it's not gonna sit in evenly, okay? So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox the new camera. By the way, this case is by Case Bone by Armadillo Case, and this is pretty rugged and heavy duty. It's a full body. I'll be including the link that's going to show in the description. By the way, this camera lens is not sponsored by this company, so I purchased with my own money. So it says tempered glass. Hopefully they didn't send me the wrong one. I did not buy the glass screen protector. Okay, there you go. I was like, what? What's the instruction showing the glass screen protector? So I got a 5 piece of this. Let me try to see if the layout is the same, but I don't think so. Let's install it and see. So you're gonna clean it with the wet one first, and after that you're gonna dry it. So you're gonna make sure you clean around the rim. Now you're gonna use a dry one. Or else if you leave the wet alcohol, it's not gonna stick. Now I'm going to peel this. Make sure the flash is on the top. Oh yeah, this one sits down nicely. Yeah. Because with the 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, two of the circle was out of line and one it fit. Only one circle that will fit into the camera. There you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.